Welcome, today I'll show you how to activate a quick launch into a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down here in this main menu and find advanced feature, this one. Here find side key option, and here we got our double press option, so first of all need to activate this. And then choose your quick launch. For example, I want a quick launch camera. If you want to quick launch some apps, need to choose this option and choose your application, maybe YouTube, for example. Okay, activate our quick launch and let's try. Double press to our power key. Okay, need to open permissions for this. Okay, maybe open app will be nice. Let's try. And how you can see, our YouTube is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.